I'm going to show you a few basics of Final Cut. You can see that I've already created my event and I've created a new timeline project. So I'm going to start off by dragging the clips down in order that I would like to use in my project. So I want this one to go first and then this one to go second. So you can see here that I have a clip.
Hold, don't move.
And I need to cut that part out where I'm talking. I can go ahead and do that by clicking exactly where I want to cut and hitting the Command button along with the letter B on my keyboard, and you can see that it actually made a little perforated cut. Then I can click on that clip and hit the delete button on my keyboard, and now it's gone. Another way to do that is to put your cursor over the end of the clip and just drag it backwards. So now you can see that portion is gone. If you want to cut out the middle of something, you're going to use the Command B on each side and then click in the middle and delete that portion. If you've deleted something or you've done something that you don't like, go ahead and hit Command Z, and that will undo as many times as you'd like. I'm going to show you how to put a transition in. Transitions are over here. It looks like a little envelope. Go ahead and click that, and then you have a list of transitions. Once you find the one you would like to use, go ahead and grab it, pull it over, and put it right between two video clips. Sometimes it'll give you this warning that your clips are kind of short, it's going to eat into them. Go ahead and hit Create Transition, and then now you can see it looks like this. It'll open and close. If you don't want that transition, just go ahead and click it and hit Delete. I'm going to show you how to put a title slide in. Click on the T for title slides. You have an array of title slides that you can choose from. Go ahead and click one, pull it in front of your video clips, and now you can see it says title. I can go ahead and double click on that and change the title to whatever I would like for it to say. You got to make sure that your cursor is on it, and you just name it whatever you would like. You can change the size, sometimes you can change the font, the spacing. You have lots of options over there. You can also sometimes, if you would like, put your title slides over a clip, and now that will look like this. It's your choice. Let me show you some effects. You'll go to this little film strip here, and then you're able to choose effects. Let's say I would like to use the aged paper effect. I'm going to pull that and drop it right on top of one of my video clips. And now the video clip looks like this. If I'm not sure if I want to use it or not, I'm going to click on one of my video clips, and I am just going to hover over some of these, and it'll show me what it looks like. Another really cool thing that you can do in Final Cut is play with the retiming menu. You can slow things down. You can speed things up. You can rewind a clip. You can do an instant replay. All sorts of cool features here. Same thing goes for this menu. There's other cool things that you can click in and look at. You got some motion backgrounds here you might want to use. If you want to use music, you can go in here and search for sound effects. They have many different things that you can use, and you can preview them by just clicking on them, double clicking, and you can hear different things. Now the last thing, once you finish your project, you're going to go ahead and export the project. You go to File, Share, Master File, and that way you can save it anywhere you'd like. You can save it to the desktop and then put it on the server is normally what we do. So you'll be in Settings, you can look those over. It needs to be Apple ProRes 422. Go ahead and hit Next and make sure it goes to your desktop and hit Save. Now if you need to burn it to a disk, which all of your work needs to be on the server and burnt to a disk, you'll go to File, Share, DVD. In Settings you need to make sure that you are on the HLDTST DVD drive. Sometimes it automatically hits to hard drive. You want to make sure you're on the right setting. And then you just go ahead and hit Share, and it'll burn directly to your DVD. Make sure you put a DVD in before beginning this. Those are the very basics of what you will be using in my class.